Christmas, peeps. Welcome to another year of me and my brother, Dr. Clone, doing our gift unboxing with you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the holiday season and had awesome times with your families, had some yummy foods, and some great drinks as well. We definitely been celebrating all weekend, and now we're at the part where most people look forward to, which is the presents. I'm more of a giver. Dr. Clone likes gifts, so let's start off with you, buddy.
Yes, like my brother said, Merry Christmas to all members of Stew Corp. Sorry you haven't seen me in a while. It's been a rough few months for me. But don't worry, boys and girls. I'm here. I would never miss this, as you know. This is our yearly thing where we unwrap our gifts so you can see all the love and joy we have in our family. And if you notice, we have matching pajamas. My mom got us these.
Yeah.
From a lovely thing known as the Shopping Channel. It's been around since...
Forever.
Yeah, pretty much forever.
The home shopping network.
It's one of those things that's it's just not going away. Any product you can think of, they have. It's just a matter of who can get it first. So it's a first come, first serve. But you can't beat the deals that you can get there.
No.
And also, boys and girls, yes, it is Christmas. Yes, I expect you to enjoy delicious food and drink, but drink responsibly. Even if you're not driving, accidents can still happen in your household when you're drunk. For example, falling down the stairs. Going into the shower and putting it on the max on hot water on your boys. Which I did once. Yeah, that shit hurt so fucking much.
I could imagine.
But it definitely woke my ass up. Because I was half asleep when that happened. Anyway. Now, unlike other years, when we take turns opening gifts, we will settle this like gentlemen. By the most ancient of games that's been around since forever times. Rock, paper, scissors. Fuck!
Okay, well, I'll go first. Dr. Clone has more gifts than me anyway, so we'll let him finish off. So let's start off with my stocking stuffers. Got a little chocolate bell here. Call this my breakfast if you will. I don't know if it's caramel.
No, it's caramel.
Oh, yeah.
I remember those chocolates because I think I had those last year. They're pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is from my mom. It was in my stocking. Let's see what this is. I like the paper on this one.
Yeah, it's unlike other wrapping paper.
No way.
Wow, what is it?
No way. It's a smartwatch.
It has a smartwatch. You mean? No. Couldn't be. You mean a smartwatch?
Yeah.
You know, at some point, I gotta start bringing my box cutter for box gifts because we tend to deal with this with the fucking tape on the side of the shoe a lot.
Yeah, where I have my blade here. Where I have some scissors.
Make note of that, boys and girls. Next year, remind Dr. Clone to have his box cutter when we're opening up gifts.
I have a little time to the video, I guess. Grab down the box dirty. Okay. Sweet.
So, is that the one that connects to your phone?
Yeah, and this is like the health one. Health tracker. Charger. Here it is, peeps. My first smartwatch. I've never had one before. I will get some good use out of that. Another gift I got was from my nieces. I'll rip the card off just so you guys won't be able to see a code, sorry. $25 gift card to the beer store, one of my favorite stores.
I think that's everyone's favorite store, especially this time of year.
Oh yeah. This gift right here is from both of my parents. Let's see, let's read the card. Thinking of you, son, at Christmas time. Warm, happy memories of a little boy's days. Things to be proud of, admire and praise. A friend and a hero who's loved very much. A wonderful part of each life that you touch. A soul full of kindness and a heart full of fun. You're all a parent could want in a son. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas with lots of love. To Anthony from Mom and Dad. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Sweater. Okay.
Well, a sweater is a very good classic gift to get on Christmas. Plus, it'd be very helpful because it is going to get colder, so.
This is true. And I got this other gift from my mom. Ooh, yeah. A mink 6-piece bed sheet. Okay, and it's baby blue, my favorite color.
What the hell? Why are you getting baby blue?
Yeah.
That's my color.
Yeah. And obviously these pajamas was one of my gifts as well. Well, Dr. Clone has one more gift than me. And Dr. Clone also got me WWE 2K24. Or is it 23? 24 or 24? The newest 2K game he got me as an early gift. And
Unfortunately, since it's a digital copy, boys and girls, you can't see him actually unwrap it. But he has been playing it non-stop. The funny thing is, I got in it a few months ago when it was only the base game on sale. But guess what? Now all the goddamn DLC is on sale. And it would have been a better deal.
yeah.
But it's too late.
Alternatively, I had gotten him Mortal Kombat 1, the new one. But just because it's Christmas, I actually got him something that he could actually open for the video.
Well, in my defense, I got you something that you can open too. In case he's your favorite pop. Cherry Pepsi.
And I also got him mudslides and a bunch of edibles.
Yes. I was totally in a happy place last night. A very happy place, boys and girls. Remember, drink responsibly and be of legal age, which in Canada is 21.
Actually 19.
It's 19 now? What the hell?
It was always 19 here.
Was it?
In America, it's 21.
My God. I got in those numbers wrong for how long then? That's bullshit. So I could have started earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, boys and girls, the smarter ones, don't make that mistake I just made. I think I've wasted years of my life. And Peter, when you pick up the goddamn phone, do you not see we're opening up gifts? Man, really? And to think, I actually gave him actual food. Not just leftovers like I normally do. And the reason why I started with this one, boys and girls, because this too was in my stocking. And based on the shape and size, I figure it's just like what my brother got, and I was right. I too got one of these smartwatch things. The funny thing is, I have not worn a watch in 15 years.
I actually have a pretty fancy German watch I usually wear, but I think I'll start using this just because it tracks your fitness and whatnot.
The fact that it does that, what was I saying? Oh, right. Now that I'm working out, you see, I'm still a bit buzzed from last night. I'm mixing up my words. Anyway, since I've been doing more workout routine, this is going to help me out a lot, keeping pace of my progress and my heart rate. So that's going to help me out a lot. And I too got a gift card from my girls, but I didn't get from the beer store or the liquor store, no. My gift card of choice, apparently, because it's one of my favorite stores to go to, is Shoppers. Shoppers Drug Mart. The amount of things I get in this store alone. Now, there's another gift of mine. This one is also from the girls. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my god, you guys got me a box! That's awesome! But what's in this box? Even though I like boxes, but now, what could possibly be in the box?
Ooh, yeah, that's perfect for you.
Oh my god, look at this, boys and girls. Tactical gear. You know how long it's been since I've worn one of these? Not since in my youth. When I was 24. I was a beast back then. Yes. Oh, good. Oh, I'm gonna make a video and you're gonna see me in this, boys and girls. Oh, yes. I don't know what I'm gonna do in that video, but you're gonna see this very soon. Thank you, Ruby. You are the best. I love it. And now, this one. This is also from both my mom and my dad. They too gave me a card.
Want me to read it for you?
Sure. Fucking great. Oh, sweet, $20.
Yeah,
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
I didn't get $20.
It's because they love me more.
Sometimes it seems like it would be nice to go back and relive happy memories on Christmas past, but seeing the person you've become brings more joy than going back ever could. Thank you for the wonderful memories and for being such a wonderful son. Merry Christmas.
Wow, my card even sounds better.
Yeah, mine's better. I had a better card. You got money.
Now let's see what they got me. Ooh, green paper. Oh, the two.
Similar sweater?
Yeah. But mine is more dark black. This
Yeah,
actually works because I do want more sweaters that also protect the neck, as you can see here, the mini turtleneck.
Mhm.
That's really going to help because I don't know if this happens to you, boys and girls, but I tend to get a sore throat very easily, especially with the goddamn cold winds here in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
Because you know how Canada is, boys and girls. It gets friggin' cold up in this bitch. Ugh. Now, let me go with this one next. This one is from my mom.
More green.
Oh, wow. My mom got me a giant brick thing.
It's a mink bed set.
Oh, okay,
6
that
bed
makes more
set.
sense.
Sheet set.
I thought this was a giant brick. I was wondering why my mother would get me a brick. Was I supposed to like, throw this at someone or something? But, oh, thank you, Mother. I don't really get stuff in my bedroom like this, but I'm going to make good use of it. Yes. I'm still going to throw this at someone. As soon as I find Peter, because he didn't pick up the bloody phone. And now, the final one. That is actually from you. Kind of confused what this could possibly be, especially since it's shaped like this.
Yeah, I noticed some things that you had in your room, and I figure I'd give you another one.
Huh. This better not be a sub or something, because I won't be able to eat it now.
It's more shaped like a shawarma, if you know.
What's with all this tape always impeding me? Where's the other scissors? But god damn it, I see it, boys and girls, again. It's fucking tape. Always repeating me. No matter what I do. Oh. For obvious reasons, boys and girls, I can't show this on camera, but you may have saw the reflection through the mirror. Anyway, this is what we call in the industry fan service in anime. Yes, I will definitely appreciate this. Thanks, brother.
No problem, buddy.
Yes, this is definitely going on the old wall. Yes. And I'm definitely going to Shoppers tomorrow and using this card.
I'm technically stocked up for beer for the rest of the week, but this next weekend I definitely will be using that card for New Year's Eve. But once again, peeps, we will be doing the Festival of Fatness.
On New Year's night.
Yeah.
And an added bonus, we're having a few guests joining us now. I won't say who they are. It's a surprise. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
And hopefully I don't put on too much weight, because shit, last night, my god, boys and girls, I ate a whole duck. A whole duck.
Yeah.
And before that, I had like what? Fried chicken from KFC is like, my god.
Chicken Joy.
Was it Chicken Joy?
Yeah, it was Chicken Joy.
In a way, that's even worse, because they have bigger pieces.
Yeah.
So, God, I am so fat right now, boys and girls. Like, man, the amount of food I just ate. And in the morning, nice, delicious ham with homemade bread.
I'm going to enjoy some of that now. I slept in. I drank a bit more than everyone. You can see my Appleton right now. So
I told you to pace yourself, man. That's why I only drank 3 mudslides.
And I had like 3 beers, I believe. 3 or 4. I don't even remember. But it was a good night.
No, it's not like we really keep count half the time on what we're drinking. But remember, boys and girls, we drink responsibly. If you're gonna drink that much, make sure you do it in your home, where you're safe and secure, and there's no chance for you to do something stupid like go streaking.
Yeah. But you're up that much. So it's young, so it's dumb.
Yeah, but I honestly didn't think you were actually gonna do it.
You were on a beach and I thought I was allowed to. I kept seeing girls in thongs and some of them were topless. So I thought it would have been okay.
You see, that's the friggin' misleading thing. New beaches is a thing. It's not here in the West. It's in
No, there is one here.
Is there?
There's one on Shender Island, Hanlines Point.
Well, boys and girls, I know where I'm going next summer then.
Yeah, you gotta pick the right weekend to go, because sometimes there is young people, and most of the times it's a bunch of old people, I've heard.
Oh, shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to plan this out, boys and girls. If you have any tips on what time I should go to this new beach, let me know. Because I do not want to go there and potentially get blind.
My best experiences have been actually going to the beach with women, so I know what I'm going to see.
I see the logic. Yes, it's sound logic. But then there's that one problem. If you bring a female, which is, sure, that's awesome, that's your woman, but then you're not allowed to look at any other girls.
So, of course you can. If you don't bring your girlfriend and you just bring female friends who you party with, then you're okay.
I see. Another loophole.
Yeah.
One to remember. Very well. That is what I will do. This is going to take some planning, boys and girls.
Well, peeps, thank you for joining us on our regular Christmas special. Be sure to check out and watch more of our awesome content. Now, I'm sure as you guys can see on my channel, I have got channel memberships, so you guys have options to join us for channel memberships. 3, 4 great tiers for you guys. The TBX 420 Club tier is where you get all the old content. The Lost videos is where you get all the content that I don't really want to upload, but I know you guys would want to see, so I just put it out there so if you guys would want to pay enough to see them. We also got super thanks and super chats, so if you enjoyed this video, you can click right on that little heart there and give us a super thanks and help the channel and help us grow some more. Be sure to follow me on everything Urban Franchise Entertainment and TBX 420 Club. And guys, thank you so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful holidays. Enjoy it. Have good times. forget the drama and just have some fun and enjoy your family time. Where can they follow you, buddy?
As you know, it's the great Dr. Claude, and you can follow me at Stu Corp on YouTube. Sadly, I'm only on YouTube, so don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me, Dr. Claude. That's Stu Corp on YouTube. And like I said earlier, I hope you have a safe and happy Christmas and a wonderful New Year. And the best thing about our New Year's, or I should say also our Christmas, I'm the one who made a punch of creamer. Now, if you're a Trini, you know what that means. And you know the good stuff that I had to put in there.
Mm-hmm.
And now, we're going to go crack open another bottle. Because it's like... Is it like 2 or 3?
Yeah, on the holidays, I usually don't drink before 6 p.m., but this is one of those few days you make an exception because it's Christmas.
Plus, and we don't need to be awake tomorrow morning anyway.
Well, I do. I gotta work tomorrow.
Wow. Shit.
But I don't start till 12.
Well, I'll just give you an espresso. You should be okay.
Yeah,
Just walk it off.
true.
Besides, that's the beauty about working at your house.
Yeah, I work from home. Always good. All right, peeps. Well, thank you again for joining us. Have a happy holidays. Stay good and keep it blitz.
And now, boys and girls, never forget, you too can be a member of Stu Corp. Because everyone wants to be a member, don't they? And don't forget to follow me, boys and girls. And sorry you haven't seen much of me. Hopefully next year, which is going to be like in a week, you'll see a lot more of me. Until then, see ya.